Please don't dislike this video. I know a lot of huge and hardcore Money Heist fans must have clicked on this video just to dislike it, but trust me when I say this, after watching the entire video you might just end up liking it and leaving a good comment after it. So I'm Arnav and you're watching the Techopist Plays, and these are 3 mistakes in Money Heist season 5, 4 and 3 and counters to those mistakes, after which the whole show will entirely change for you, and trust me when I say this. Also, the people who haven't seen Money Heist yet, so please just click off this video if you don't want any spoilers and watch the entire show and then come back to this video. I also want to say this before starting that I myself am a huge fan of Money Heist season 1 and 2, and I loved the entire show, and for me that was like a masterpiece. But in season 3, 4 and 5 some things weren't that great for me. So as a fan, as a huge fan of Money Heist, I just have these few things which could have been better, and just I wanted to express this in front of you guys. So without any delay, let's start the video. Number 3. Starting the show with the plot of saving Rio. As you know, in the start of the series, Rio got kidnapped and was being tortured by the Interpol. And for saving Rio, Tokyo went to ask for some help to the professor. And he basically said that we go on a heist and we save Rio and we just come back with a tons of gold. But the main thing here is that a heist in which almost everyone's life is in danger, you go to a heist where everyone's life is in danger just to save one person, doesn't really make sense. So when somebody starts watching, it really is a click off type of time. A lot of people, when I asked them even in real life, they said like it was really stupid of them to make it like to save one person you create a whole heist which almost endangers everyone's life over there. So the starting plot could have been way better, because in season 5 volume 2 you get to know that Professor was very disturbed after the death of Berlin, because of which like I cried for 2 hours almost. Because of that he was really disturbed and he was constantly working on this Bank of Spain heist for about a month. So if they would have said this thing in the first place, like Professor would have just basically said that we go to the Bank of Spain to save Rio and fulfill my brother's last death wish. That could have been a really good point to start off at, and a lot of viewers would have been there to witness the entire show and not just leave in the starting itself. Second, state secrets. Remember in season 3 episode 5 when Denver walks out with those red boxes, and the whole Interpol, the European Union, everybody comes to just see like what is there in those briefcases. That's what it was state secrets, and state secrets are basically the secrets which government hides from us. It all includes their dirty work from past, their working, their everything. So obviously a government doesn't really want their state secrets to be lost. And when a person from European Union asks Tamayo what was the size of this leak, and I have this written down over here, Tamayo goes on and says like, Europe provoking a war in Libya for private interests. Payment to Morocco to abandon immigrants in the desert. A confidential agreement to look the other way in the Mediterranean. 74 shipwrecks, hundreds of drownings, old news which were hidden, and a lot of more things which you could have gone for. So obviously 90 tons of gold isn't that worth it for these many secrets which could like potentially cause a war in some other country. And suddenly you see in some upcoming seasons that suddenly those state secrets don't even get mentioned. Suddenly Tamayo changes his minds and just lets people go into the building and just attack them, which was really stupid because they knew what was the size of this leak, and it wasn't even mentioned like later on. The government even knew this, that even if they would have gone in and killed everybody from the Bank of Spain, saved all the people, saved the gold, but still there was Professor out there and hackers in Pakistan who would immediately leak all of the details in there if they would have made any step like that, potentially which could lead to wars. So the state secrets could have been a very key point to like stopping the attacks which caused the death of Tokyo, to which I cried for 200 hours. But I think that the death of Nairobi was very necessary for the story to go on. And I feel really bad saying this, but it was actually because they had Gandia inside the Bank of Spain. But the alternative which they could have gone for would have been like he gets out of, like, after Palermo telling him how to get out, like to dislocate his joint. He gets out, and at that instant he could have killed Nairobi. And obviously they showed a scene where he just literally dodges all the bullets, which is basically not possible. The same thing even happened when Tokyo was trying to enter the Bank of Spain with a bike in season 2. So it really doesn't really make sense. So they could have shown like he shoots Nairobi, the people shoot him in the leg or something, and they don't kill him. They just take him and just throw him out of the bank, and just people just, people take their rage out of him, rage out on him, and just kill him by themselves. This could have stopped all the violence that occurred. And from the first 2 seasons where they didn't even kill anybody, here in the second season they literally killed 5 people, which really broke the, because I feel like in the first 2 seasons when people started sympathizing for the bank robbers, it was because they were very non-violent and harmless, and suddenly in the next upcoming season they just turn out to be a violent, and Professor starts a war which causes like deaths of many people. So with the use of state secrets, they could have stopped that. Obviously we couldn't have saved Nairobi anyways, but we could have saved Tokyo for sure, which I would have been very happy for, and we could have saved Helsinki's 1 feet. Number 3, and probably the most important and like the most worst mistake they could have made, was making the professor say, I am a thief, my brother was a thief, my father was a thief, and I hope my upcoming child would be a thief. For me personally, from the first 2 seasons and even in this season, the first 2 seasons he printed his own money. He didn't steal anything from somebody. In the second season, in the third, fourth and fifth season, he was stealing the gold but still putting in brass blocks, which didn't even really make sense. But he explained it like it doesn't even matter if it is brass or wood or any gold. It's just heritage for the country, and it could be hidden easily. For me, Professor is like an artist who creates money out of nowhere. So making him say that I am a thief, when Tamayo says that you claim yourself to be Robin Hood, and he says like, yeah, sure, I'm a thief, I'm no Robin Hood, I just say that because why not. Better alternate choice of words would be, I have this also written down, and this might be like it is my own thing, so they could have made it even better. But he could have said something like, I may not be Robin Hood, but I stand by the words I say. So he doesn't really cheat to the people. He says what he means, and he all of his true expressions honest. Also, he could have said like, I came in here to save a friend, I did that, and to complete my brother's last wish. You guys lie to the government every day. I am just creating one more small state secret which could be preserved very easily. You are here to protect your government lies, but I am here just to save a friend and complete my brother's last wish. This could have been a banger if he would have said it, and Tamayo would have just been like, shut up and just go on and do his own business. Obviously, they just made him say that, yeah, sure, I'm a thief and I'm no Robin Hood. I just say that because publicity, And here comes the end. I want to say that using these 3 counters to these problems, they could have completed the entire season entire show in 2 seasons for the second part, and nobody else would have died other than Nairobi. Obviously they saved Rio. Obviously Nairobi had to go. They saved Tokyo. Helsinki's feet wasn't gone, and they get the gold. So it's a win-win anyways. Comment down below what you think of what I'm trying to say. Would it have been like a good idea or a bad idea? If they would have implemented it, would it have been a better thing, or is it better now? Because it's totally my personal words to say this as least, because I was really expecting Tokyo to live, because as I said, I cried for 200 hours. Yeah, that is it. That's that. And yeah, tell me what you think about it. Subscribe to the channel. I will be also linking my Instagram and my main channel where I post tech videos in Hindi. So you can go and check that out and subscribe over there as well. If you liked it, then please leave a like, and if you don't like it, it's fine, just leave a dislike. It's totally subjective to anyone. So yeah, see you next time. Until then, bye.